Hey guys, it's Trisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would do something a little bit more chill, and it's Sunday afternoon and something I love to do is bake. So I thought I would take you with me today, and I'm going to be making a healthy banana bread. So if you're curious to see how I do that, then just keep on watching. So this is the recipe I'm going to be trying out today. It's from Ambitious Kitchen. And as you can see over here, Monique is the owner of the blog, and I really love her recipes. So as you can see, it's her healthy banana bread recipe, and it just looks incredible if you can see it. So I'm going to try this one out today. So here you can see the recipe. I'm just going to go in order of the ingredients, so I'll tell you what I'm doing as we go along. And I will also, of course, link this recipe down in the description box so you guys can see Ambitious Kitchen, go to her website, and then you can see the full recipe there as well. Okay, so the first thing we have to do, you can see, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's roughly 170 Celsius. So I'm gonna go do that. Let's see, put the oven on. And I'll set mine at 170 because my oven loves to burn everything. So that's that. Okay, so this is my setup here. I've got my tea by my side, of course. I love having some tea while I'm baking. And I'm going to start with the tin. Alright, so the first step is to line the bread pan with some parchment paper. So I have that here. So I'm just going to cut it to size, basically to the length of the pan. And then I'm also going to leave basically the length of this so that you can easily pull the bread out once you are done baking it. Okay, I'm going to put this aside for now, and I'm going to start by mashing the banana. So here I have my really ripe bananas. She says that it should be roughly 3, so I'm going to mash all these and then see if we have the 1 1/4 cups by using all of these. Alright, so here's the 1 1/4 cups. I'm going to add this into a large bowl. Alright, next we should put in 2 eggs. Next is a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. So I'm just going to scoop this out into the 4th cup, and then I will heat it to make sure that it's liquidy for the mixture. Alright, next is a 1/3 cup of maple syrup. I'll be using this one, and a 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, but I am going to substitute almond milk for the Greek yogurt. And for the last of the ingredients, I'm going to be adding the teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, so this is what the wet ingredients are looking like. I'm going to throw this in a blender and blend it all together. So as you can see, it's a pretty liquidy consistency right now, so I'm going to start adding in the dry ingredients. So first we need 2 cups of flour, and not self-raising flour, just regular flour. Next we add a teaspoon of baking soda. Next is a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So this is how that looks like. Now I'm just going to mix it until it's just mixed, so not over mixing it. So this is what that looks like, definitely a bit thicker after the dry ingredients. So next in the recipe you have an optional add-in, so you can choose walnuts or chocolate chips or whatever you like. I will be adding walnuts, and then I might add a little bit of coconut as well. And your add-ins should be a half a cup. Okay, so I think I'm just going to add all the walnuts and chop them up before I throw them in. So you don't want them to be too small, the individual pieces, but just big enough that you'll actually get the crunch in the bites of the bread. Alright, now it's time to pour this into the pan. And the last step that I really liked about her recipe is that she puts in a full banana on top, but I think I'm going to just do small little wedges on top, so I'll do that now. Alright, so this is how that looks. Looks really nice. I'm going to throw it into the oven for 55 minutes, I think, and then just test it to see if it's ready. So it just came out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. It looks really, really delicious. So now we're just going to let this cool for 10 minutes and then take it out using this parchment paper and let it cool the rest of the way that way. Hey guys, so it's a day later and I realized I forgot to film an outro, so I will do that now. I tried the banana bread last night with some butter and today just plain at work, and it's really, really delicious. It still tastes really nice even though it is quite healthy, no added sugar or anything, so I highly recommend it. I really liked it. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss out on any further videos that I do, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!